Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone, I'm Harun Ibrahim. I'm here to guide you on how to get your verification link on Nyif website. For those that applied for Nyif and are still waiting for their verification link, should please follow me step by step. First, you need to go into your Chrome and then paste your website web link, which is nyif.nmfb.com.ng. Then click go. Wait for the link wait for the browser to get into the website. Okay, now the next step is go to login, and then this is the user login. They need email address, BBN or phone number, and then password. But some people did not get access into this website because they did not receive the verification token. So if you want to get the verification token, you have to go and click on did not get verification token, and then click verification, did not get verification token. Never mind, the server is have a lot of visitors, so the network is too bad. We don't have a good network, but at least we are going through. Yes, here we are. Resend verification token. Resend verification token. So just click here and then insert your email address, and then click submit. Wait for a while for the link to be verified. After your link being verified, you will receive an email via your email address with a verification link, and then click on the verification link for you to. Let me give you an example of the verification link needed. Go to your email address. You'll see something like this is my email address and this is the link that I have received. See, this is the link. So you see something like this. Thanks, I verify your email. Thank you for registering. Please click below the link to verify your address. This is the link you will be to. Yes, click on the link and then you will be verified. After the verification, then you go back to the web main browser and then log in as with your user credentials, which is your email address and then your password. That is all. Thank you for watching.